Some track and field news now. Paris Olympic finalists Tia Clayton and Kara McLeod headline Jamaica's 47-member team to the NACAC Senior Championships set for August 15 to 17 in the Bahamas. A number of the country's athletes will be seeking automatic qualification marks and wildcard entries for the Tokyo World Championships. Paris Olympic finalist Tia Clayton, who pulled up in the final of the women's 100 meters at this year's National Senior Championships, is among the 21-member women's team selected for the NACAC Senior Championships set for August in the Bahamas. Clayton is among several athletes who will be using the meet as part of a final push to make Jamaica's team for the Tokyo World Championships in September. 21-year-old Clayton will be hoping to secure the gold medal in the women's 100 meters at the meet to qualify for Tokyo as a NACAC regional champion, whilst others will be hoping to secure the World Championship qualifying standards. Among those who will be seeking to secure the World Championship qualifying standard in their event is national 400-meter champion Rasheen McDonald, who is included in the 26-member men's team. McDonald is yet to secure the automatic qualifying time of 44.85 seconds for his event. 33-year-old McDonald won the 400 meters at the National Championships in a time of 44.89. Two other national champions, Ashanti Moore in the women's 200 meters and Samantha Hall in the women's discus, will also be seeking the World Championship qualifying standards of 22.57 seconds and 64.50 meters respectively in their events. Christopher Taylor, who recently returned from a suspension and who placed second in the men's 200 meters at the National Championships, will be chasing the 20.16 World Championship qualification time as he is listed for the half-lap event. In the field, Paris Olympic silver medalist Shanika Ricketts is listed for the women's triple jump, while national champion Jordan Scott is down to contest the men's equivalent. Another national champion, Kara McLeod, is listed for the men's long jump, along with Sean D. Thompson. 2019 world silver medalist Frederick Dakers is listed for the men's discus, along with Chad Wright. After falling short at 38.46 seconds at the inaugural Barbados Grand Prix over the weekend, the men's sprint relay team will have another chance to get into the top 16 in the world ahead of Tokyo, with Taylor, Rohan Watson, Raheem Ford, Adrian Carr, Boajian Krumi, and Kadrian Golson making up the squad. Tia Clayton, Jadine Williams, Ashanti Moore, Janelle Smith, and Gabrielle Matthews are listed for the women's sprint relay squad. The NACAC Senior Track and Field Championships will run from August 15 to 17 in the Bahamas.